everyone, welcome back to my channel. Having a well balanced, nutritious diet is very important to stay healthy, fit, and active, not only during the day but also in the long run. So, today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. As a mom of a toddler who keeps me on my toes, I need to stay active during the entire day. I always start my day with lukewarm water mixed with honey and black pepper. This helps in releasing toxins from the body. It also has numerous other health benefits. It's like a magic potion, you guys. Please do try it and let me know if it works for you. Remember to go easy on the black pepper, just add a pinch of it. So for breakfast today I'm making rava pancake. You can even call it rava uttapam. Here I've taken some rava and I'm going to mix some dahi in it. The quantity of dahi needs to be half of that of rava. Mix it well and add some water to it. Sorry about the bad lighting in the video. I tried to edit it but it didn't work. After adding water, let the mixture rest for around 5 minutes. As you can see here, the rava has absorbed all the water. Now I'm going to add some onions, carrots and green chilies. You can add any vegetable of your choice. For example, grated beetroot or grated cauliflower, whatever you like you can add in this to make it extra healthy. Personally, I love eating breakfast and would not prefer to add too many vegetables that early in the morning. Now adding some grated ginger to it. I always try to experiment with my breakfast. I try to have different things every day so that it doesn't get monotonous and I get to have healthy breakfast that keeps me energized throughout the day, since breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Mixing some salt. Ghee is the most healthy fat that is found in almost all Indian households. So I'm adding some ghee over here instead of oil. It has many health benefits. One of them is that it keeps your bones strong. So here, as you can see, I've spread the mixture on the pan. It's instant, it's easy to make, and it's very tasty and a very healthy breakfast option. Other dishes I make for breakfast are poha, upma, sunny side up, or even a simple oats omelette. Breakfast is definitely my most favorite meal of the day. I'm having it with mint chutney. It also goes really well with coconut chutney. Along with it, I also have some coffee over here. At 11:30 a.m. I have my mid-morning snack. Almonds, dates or whichever fruit is available at home. Today I'm having pear. Many dietitians, including Rujita Divekar, recommend eating a mid-morning snack as it stokes the appetite and boosts metabolism. You can even have a drink like coconut water or buttermilk. Sprinkling some chaat masala on it. For lunch today I'm making bengan bharta. For this recipe you need a big eggplant, as many of you might already be knowing how to roast it. One tip is to make slits on it, not going all the way, just on upper part of it, so that it gets roasted throughout. Rubbing it with some oil. You can even bake it in the oven, but if you want the smoky flavor, you need to do it how I am doing it right now. As you can see here, it's nicely roasted and it has a nice char on it. Take it out and let it cool down for a bit. Meanwhile, preparing the masala, I'm adding the leftover oil that I used to rub the eggplant. Add some jeera and let it crackle. Now add some chopped onions. Now while the onions are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and remove the skin from the roasted eggplant. Add some ginger garlic paste and saute well. Now adding some haldi. Some red chili powder and coriander powder. Add some salt. And now comes the main part of the dish. Here I have some imli pulp, and to that I am adding some jaggery powder and mixing it well. Add that to the dish and saute well. Now add the mashed eggplant to the masala. Adding chopped coriander. Now along with the Bengan bharta, I have a bowl of whole masoor dal, one chapati and a small bowl of rice. For evening snacks, I am roasting some makhana. I am going to add some sour cream and onion powder which I had lying around in the house to it. I always have my tea with jaggery powder. I do not use sugar in my tea. Makhana is a superfood that is very easily available in India. It's high in antioxidants, has anti-aging properties, and it is also really great for people suffering with diabetes. It also promotes heart health. Please do include it in your diet. It does wonders to your hair and skin. Just lightly roast it. You can have it as it is, or you can add some ghee or chaat masala to it. So for dinner, I'm grilling some chicken over here. I had marinated it before. To see the marination process, you can check out my recipe for chicken kepsa. You can click on the iCard above. I have this leftover masala from the chicken. So I've taken these chopped vegetables. Here I have mushroom, capsicum and onions. You can even add some broccoli or baby corn to it. So I'm going to add the masala into the vegetables and mix it well. Once the chicken is grilled well, I'm going to add the vegetables to it. Grill the vegetables till they are somewhat cooked. I like to have them a bit crunchy. I always have two chapatis for dinner. Here I am having some leftover dal from lunch and grilled chicken and vegetables. Also, please remember to have 8 glasses of water in a day. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.